Everyone, hope you're doing good. If you want to watch FIFA World Cup live 2022 on your laptop, on your mobile phone, or anything, you can do that. I'll tell you one of the best ways to watch FIFA World Cup on a laptop, PC, or mobile phone. If you're using mobile phone, then I would recommend to open your browser. I'll tell you two ways actually. The first way is to download the BlueStacks. If you want to watch it in your computer, just open BlueStacks, download the BlueStacks 5, install it, and from the Play Store, install Geo Cinema FIFA World Cup. You just need to type Geo Cinema and you will be able to watch your World Cup there. The highlights, the full match, and everything you will be able to see on FIFA World Cup. You can also visit this website geocinema.com, and here you can get to know about the upcoming matches, Abu Dhabi, trending in sports. You can get all latest FIFA action if you want to watch FIFA World Cup. The next way is to download the app as well. You can download on Android phone or iPhone. You can get the Geo Cinema app, and from there you can watch if you're using Geo phone in your region.